Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I got my hair in a bun. It's time for me to wash my hair again. I recently did a wash and go on my hair. I did it last Saturday and today is Thursday, so it's time for wash day basically. And I thought, why not come and do an unboxing? I had opened up my package that I got my curl kit in the mail, and I started to open it and I said, well, why not come on camera and unbox it for you guys? And this is it. As you can see, this box is so big. And so I subscribed to a monthly subscription. This is the April box. I got it for my birthday for myself. I said, let me try it out and see how I like it. So this was the April box. I paid, the box is $20 and then you pay $5 for shipping. I got a discount of $5, so I paid $20 in total, and it's supposed to have about $60 in products in it. So this month we're going to unbox it. As I said, it can't even close because it's that much, it's filled up. So we're going to unbox it, and as you can see, it's a Shea Moisture box, and it's tearing open because that's how filled up to the brim it is. And it came with these cards, and this line is the, if you can see, the red palm oil and cocoa butter line. And it comes with a coupon so that you can get so you can get money off, $2 off any one product from Walmart. And then it tells you how to use it when you use the products, and then it gives you I guess an explanation of the products. Cocoa butter, we know, moisturizes the hair, replenishes the oils for dry hair. Flaxseed oil, which is another ingredient that is used in it, and it nourishes the hair, improves elasticity. And then the red palm oil is an excellent source of antioxidants and vitamins. So I'm excited to try this. I usually use Shea Moisture on my hair. I usually use the one that comes in the pink bottle. I can't think of the brand that it is, but I usually use that one on my hair. That's the only kind that usually works for my hair. I just did a wash and go. I told you last video that wash and goes usually does not work for my hair for whatever reason, but I tried it this time and I had a bomb wash and go. I took my time, I sectioned my hair, and I layered the products on, and I had a bomb wash and go, and I got so many compliments on my wash and go. My curls were so defined. So this time I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to show you the products that I got in this box, and then we're going to try our wash and go again. So let's go. Okay, the first product I got is the, see if you can see, Detangling Shampoo. This is the red palm oil and cocoa butter detangling shampoo with flaxseed oil. This is for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair, and my hair does shrink a lot. The next product I got is the leave-in or rinse out conditioner with flaxseed oil. So this can actually be used as a rinse out conditioner after you shampoo your hair, and then you can also use it as a leave-in. One thing I do notice is that this line does not come with a deep conditioner. So if you're a person who likes to deep condition your hair with every wash, I usually try to deep condition my hair every week. But I'm not a stickler. I can do a rinse out conditioner and go with the flow, but I do like to deep condition hair because my hair does get dry. So you may want to implement another deep conditioner from another line, because this line does not come with a deep conditioner. So the next product that I got is the Curl Stretch Pudding, also with flaxseed oil. And this is for sulfate. It's sulfate free and it's color safe. So then the next one is the Styling Jelly. And then the last product I got is the Reshaping Shine Butter. And then this product is actually to use on the next day hair after you've already layered your products on, and then you wake up the next day and you want to refresh your curls, you will use this product. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get in the shower. I'm going to wash my hair with the shampoo. I'm going to use the conditioner, and then I'm going to come back and also use the conditioner as a leave-in, and then I'm going to use the curl stretch pudding and the jelly, because I want to see how well these products are going to take to my hair, because my hair is low porosity and a lot of products does not do well with my hair. So when I do find products that do well with my hair, I tend to stick to those products. So I'm going to see how well these products do with my hair. So I will return after I wash my hair. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay, you guys, I am back and I just finished washing my hair. So I used the shampoo in the leave-in conditioner slash washout conditioner. I washed it out, and then I went in with my Aussie Moist 3-minute reconstructor shampoo, because the shampoo, I loved it. It was really silky in my hair. It was so soft. It felt like a hair butter that I was washing my hair with. And the conditioner, it was a lightweight conditioner. It was very thin because you can use it as a leave-in. But it gave some slip, but I still needed something to help me to get the shed hairs out. So I used my Aussie Moist 3-minute reconstructor hair mask. As I stated before, this line didn't come with a mask, so you may want to use a mask from another line if you choose to deep condition your hair. So I'm going to go in again with the leave-in slash washout conditioner to use on my hair right now. Okay guys, I finished putting in a leave-in conditioner, so now I'm going to go in with the curl stretch pudding and the styling jelly. Now, on the little card that came with it, it said for the best results, to combine these two together. Now, the line that I say I usually use and get the best result is the coconut and hibiscus line. I remembered it when I was washing my hair, and I tried the flaxseed gel that they have with that line. I didn't really like the flaxseed gel, so I always just use the coconut milk or the cream that comes with that line to do my wash and goes, and my wash and goes usually turn out pretty good. But I'm going to try the jelly with this line today and see if I like it. I'm going to see how this turns out. If I don't like it, I just won't use it again. But I'm going to try it again today just to see if it gives it a hold. Because I noticed with my wash and goes, I can get a good wash and goes, but my hair usually get frizzy. So I'm trying to reduce the frizz. So I'm going to see how these two work together. So we're going to try it again today. And this is pretty runny, so be careful because it just spilled all over my leg. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to mix them two together to reduce time and put it all over my head. You can layer it if you want to. I'm just going to mix it together because on the card it said to combine it together and put it on your hair for the best results. So that's what I'm going to do. And we're going to see how it turns out. Okay, so I finished putting that on there. I do see some white residue. Hopefully when it dries, it'll dry clear. I've had products before where it'll be white when I finish putting it on there and it dry clear. Hopefully this is how it dries because I followed the way it said do it to mix it. And you know, I mean, I like that while it's wet, I'm seeing a lot of volume. So hopefully when it's dry, I'm going to have a lot of volume. But we'll see. But I'm going to stop touching it. I'm going to let it dry. And I'll be back and I'll show you the final results of how it looks when it dries. So again, I'll see you guys in a few. It usually takes my hair about, I want to say between 6 and 8 hours to dry, depending if I go outside. It's a little windy today. It's a little cool outside, so I may go out to go to the store. It depends. If I'm in the house, it may take a little longer. But this is my hair right now with the product on there. So we will see in about 6 to 8 hours when I return how my hair looks. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. So it has been about, I want to say 5.5, 6 hours. My hair is about 90% dry, so it's not all the way dry yet, but it's almost dry. So I just wanted to show you what it looked like. It is pretty defined. If you could feel it, it's very soft. I really like it. It's not sticky. I really like the way it feels. I like the outcome. Let me show you the back. I'm not sure what the back looks like. So that is the back. So this is what it looks like. I do have some shrinkage. Now, the product claimed to reduce shrinkage, but with my type of hair, that's just not going to happen. I'm going to have some shrinkage. That's a lot of products claim to reduce shrinkage with my hair, and I always have shrinkage. It's just going to happen. So this is my hair. As you can see, it did dry down. The white is gone. This is what my hair looks like. So I do like it. As I stated before, I do love the products. I would purchase the products again. The conditioner, though, I could do without the conditioner. As a leave-in, I like it, but as a wash, rinse out conditioner, I really didn't like it too much. It didn't have a lot of slip. For my hair, I didn't like it. I'll stick with my Aussie. I have yet to find a conditioner that can compete with my Aussie, other than the Curls Blueberry Bliss conditioner. But it is now spring, going into summer, and if you love that conditioner, you know you cannot use that conditioner in the spring and summer because the bees and the flies tend to attract to your hair when your hair smells like blueberry. So that is the only conditioner that I can use that it that can compare to the Aussie Moist conditioner. But other than that, I love the shampoo. That's the only shampoo that I can say that is like the Aussie, that I can actually put in my hair that makes my hair feel soft. I can rake through my hair. I can detangle my hair. Again, I'm not sure if the line comes with a deep conditioner, but in the curl kit, it did not come with a deep conditioner. So I had to use my own deep conditioner, but this was the results of my wash and go. I do love it. It was not as defined as the curl and hibiscus line that I did last week, but I give it a 7 out of 10. The one I did last week was a 10 out of 10, but I knew when I got on camera it wasn't going to be as good as the one last week. But if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Goodbye.